Mm. Let me get it down like a G. Tell you about Timothy. I remember all them girls I used to call back in Ooltewah school, thinking I was kinda cool, but then I grew up and learned a little bit, and learned that relationships soon bound to hit bottom. They drop out cold. You left alone, you and your soul. I remember the girl I used to love. She carried my baby, my true love. Brianna, I love you with all my heart. Daddy's gonna be right there from the start. Ain't no faking these raps I'm taking. I ain't writing it down. These beats I'm shaking. Now, I might be known as Timothy, a lyrically known poetic OG, but Daddy is me. Brianna, you're my daughter. I ain't tripping on nobody. You my girl. You mean the whole world to me. Ain't no track in this world that'll ever be as special as you are to me. Brianna, you my child, and you ain't wild. You act right, you behave. Daddy loves you any day, and sometimes I wish you was near my side when I wake up, saying, hey, hi, hey, Daddy, make us some bacon and eggs. And I'm yelling out, grab it. Let's get up and shake and bake the stove. Come with me, baby girl, let's get going. Wanted to make the shout out to you, Brianna. You're my life, you're my true love. From God above is where you were sent. You mean everything to me, and I meant it. Timothy, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let me lyrically lay it down, G. I ain't talking about shooting nobody and causing drama. I hate drama, and you know, I got a cool baby's mama. And I got an even little girl with the makes the whole world go round for me. Timothy, missing Brianna, see? Brianna, ever since you was gone, when you was out of my life, I knew it was wrong. But Daddy loves you with all his heart, and Daddy's so thankful that you are a part of my life. Wished I could have made your mama wife, but all that's in a past life. Ain't nothing I can do about that, but show you I love you and I'm about that. Anything you need, anything you start stepping. Anytime you look at me and you start stepping, you talk about, Daddy, I need this, it's my birthday. Hey, wait a minute, let me get a few more hours in my job. I ain't gonna steal or rob, I'm gonna work my job and provide right. I'm from the south side, Chattanooga, Tennessee. We don't fight, we throw our flags high, representing till we die. Them Tennessee hillbillies. I ain't out of Philly, I'm a Tennessee hillbilly. Even off in Georgia, we're in Lafayette, where you better bet you will get wet. If you mess with them rednecks, they will flex. They'll kick your ass sometimes, man, it hurts, G. But none of that down here. Thinking about my daughter being sincere. I wish she was right here. Man, I don't even know what I would do. Brianna, I love you with all my heart. I'm so thankful that you're a part of my life. I love you with every beat and every bit of my soul. That's how I roll. Brianna, Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. Don't ever forget that. That's why I'm dropping this single track for you, baby. Maybe we can fly through the clouds eternally like a father and his daughter. Don't even bother to try to cause drama. I put you deep, don't mess with us. I bust and cuss and lyrically up if I have to. But I'm trying to be sweet now. My baby girl means the whole world, and all these beats now can't even to amount to what she's worth. I love that girl ever since birth. Brianna, your daddy's little girl, and don't ever forget, you mean the whole world to me.